we're doing some trucking today. This is my wife's grandmother's camper. Her grandpa passed away last year, and they bought this camper because they thought they were going to be able to do some camping, but he got sick, passed away. So we're going to take this out to our place and put it up for sale, and hopefully we can get rid of it for her. It's a super nice camper, brand new, never been used. So if you're looking for a camper, hit me up. Getting some fuel, just came from the car wash. I had to drive through some grass, so that means I have to wash my truck. So I'm gonna fuel up, get this thing home. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Very exciting video. So back in 2015 when I bought the STI, the whole point of buying it was to restore it and make it a show car. In this area especially, you don't see a lot of nice Subarus, and like all the car shows around are muscle car dominated, so you don't see anything like this. All you see is your typical Camaros, Mustangs, stuff like that, which are nice, but you don't see anything like this. No imports in this area. For a couple years, I drove it everywhere, and then in the back of my mind, I always had this vision or this dream. I had a dream. He's got a dream. And the dream was to have the STI, a gorgeous show car, being towed around on a trailer. I always wanted to have a nice truck and a trailer and the car on the back. Slowly, we kind of evolved into that. Early on, I had a 95 6.5 diesel, and then I took a landscaping trailer, flimsy landscaping trailer. I cut the sides off of it, and that was what we were using. So I guess I thought that was my dream. But we had many complications with the car getting on and off the trailer, and then the truck was just old and rusted out. So then I finally had enough. I bought the 6-liter, and then I purchased a brand new 20-foot car hauler. I never thought in a million years that we would be where we are today. I mean, not only do I have a nice truck, I love that truck, a gorgeous 500 horsepower car, but I'm also working on another gorgeous 400 horsepower car that is my beautiful wife's. Today, very exciting video, because not only am I seeing my dream become a reality, it is actually happening. Like tomorrow, we are getting in the 6-liter and we are going 3.5 hours to go pick up a 2-car gooseneck trailer where I can take the 6-liter, hook it to the trailer, and put these beautiful show cars on it. We're gonna be looking good going to shows this year. So I got the 6-liter in here, gonna do a quick inspection underneath, check the oil, just a quick, some routine stuff before we head east. And then tomorrow I'm taking half day. I'm gonna go pick up the check from the bank, and then we are gonna go get us a new trailer. Here we go, 3-hour ride. Not flat over here in eastern Ohio.
Not at all.
Up and down, up and down.
What?
Right there?
Oh, right there.
That's it. That's it. We're here. Look back there. Look, 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 look. Look, look. It's on. Oh, it's so pretty. And it's a thick boy too. Oh, it is so gorgeous. This is a dream come true. Absolutely, absolutely insane. So we are hooked on, and we are gonna head back home. It is 3 hours home. Half of it is up and down and fuel sucking, and yeah, it's pretty bad in eastern Ohio up here. We're used to them flat roads. So stop to top off and grab something to eat. Check the lug nuts on the trailer. Filled up with some premium diesel. So I'm going to check the lug nuts, the torqueness, and then get back on the road. Almost home, about 45 minutes. We stopped to get some Arby's. Okay, got our bellies full. I'm gonna check the tires one more time. Look in the toolbox, there's a bunch of straps they gave me. I wanna check those out and see if they're any good and see if I can use them. Sweet. Nice. No, they're the ones I wanted. Like, they're the...
Oh, there you go.
They wrap around the wheel. I don't have to buy them. And I got 17 of them. 1, 2, 8 of them. That is enough to do both cars.
Yeah. That's
gonna save me like probably $200. I'm stoked now. I was stoked before, but I'm stoked-er.
Stoked-er.
Stoked-er. Perhaps you're still there. 2 10-foot ramps, so because you know, low life, we have low cars.
Right.
I made it home. Everything went smoothly. Right down there where it's muddy, I'm gonna have to put some. Well, the plan was to put gravel there anyway, but we're definitely gonna have to now because I'm gonna need basically all that I can to back that beast back in there. So it's definitely a little tight right here. But yeah, we're home, and then I think tomorrow we are going to put her car up on it and see how the truck sits. All right, so I think what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna pull it down the driveway, pull the ramps out, see how that looks. Probably put her car on it right here. I just want to see, her car's the heaviest out of everything we got. Her daily, her Outback. So I'm going to see how the truck sits, if it squats much or I don't know. We'll see. So definitely glad I went with the 10-foot ramps. So it's not a bad angle. I think when we put the cars on, we might have to put a board down here at the end, but I don't think so. I think it looks really dang good. I think loading the cars is going to be pretty easy.
Yeah.
This is the heaviest vehicle we got and the farthest forward we can get it. So, but it's still sitting pretty dang level. Oh, I like it. It's still sitting.
Yeah, it looks good.
So I'm not gonna have to buy bags or anything, so that is a big relief. And then once we get like my car will be in the front, your car in the back, hanging over a little bit so it actually counterbalance. That's kind of its new home. I don't really know where I'm gonna put it yet because it's kind of awkward and long, you know. 6-liter is in. I'm gonna give the 6-liter a good once over because the roads over in Eastern Ohio weren't exactly the smoothest. I know to some of you watching, you know, you just think, hey, it's just a trailer, but to me, it's much more. The vision or the plan I had, you know, ever since I got my STI, you know, it's finally becoming a reality. You know, both cars, her and I with a baby, you know, rolling to shows. It's kind of a dream come true for us. So got the ramps locked up, got the toolbox all locked up. We did go ahead and get the Kingpin adapter. I do have the gooseneck as well, but because the camper is a Kingpin, you know, I don't want to keep taking my fifth wheel in and out. So I do think the Kingpin pulls better than the gooseneck, but I guess we'll find out when we get both cars on here. It pulled dang good on the way back, no jerking or nothing. So I'm impressed. Very high quality built trailer. I'm excited to get both cars on it and start rolling to shows. Appreciate everybody watching and supporting the channel. This means a lot to us. Please like and subscribe. We have a big spring and summer coming, including a addition to our family. Lots of car shows, lots of stuff, lots of adventures we're gonna get into. So please like and subscribe. Appreciate everybody for watching, and we'll see you next time.